Students, I am taking today IUPAC nomenclature of cyanides with additional examples. Example number 1. This compound has got 4 nitrile groups, and each nitrile group is considered as substituent for each. The word carbonitrile is used. Carbonitrile. So root word belongs to one carbon atom, so it is meth. Primary suffix is "-n", this tetra carbonitrile. To give secondary suffix for the CN group is not possible because the number of CN group is more than 2. Under these circumstances, it requires to provide the name carbonitrile instead of nitrile. Example 2. This is CH. This has got CN, and the CN. In this example 2, the compound has 4 CN group, so it is not possible to give secondary suffix for them. So it is written as root word is eth, primary suffix is "-n", 1 to name. Each carbon carries 2 carbonitrile function group. Each carbon carries 2 carbonitrile substituent, so it is 1 and then 2 tetra carbonitrile. Ethane 1,1,2,2 tetra carbonitrile. Example 3. The example 3 is yan like that. This is compound. It carries 2 cyano group, so it is given secondary suffix. Number is given in this way. So this compound has got root word pent, primary suffix is "-n", but before writing the root word it is necessary to write the prefix. Prefix is ethyl. This is ethyl group. This is ethyl group, so its name will be 3,3-diethyl. Root word is pent. Primary suffix is "-n", 1,5-dinitrile. Remember, this nitrile is secondary suffix. This nitrile is secondary suffix because the number of CN group is not more than 2, so it is given the secondary suffix. In case when more than 2 cyanide group is present in the molecule, then we use carbonitrile, but in this case we are using dinitrile for both of the CN group. And error correction. And error correction in previous video the compound is tricyano-derivative. The correct name is propane 1,2,3 tricarbonitrile, but in that video this tri word has missed, so you correct yourself. So it is the correct name, correct, and propane 1,2,3 carbonitrile is incorrect. Carbonitrile incorrect. Thank you.